Hi everyone, welcome all of you. In this video I will tell you how to impose PDF files. In PDF imposition section, now we will create a booklet. When you need to make or convert PDF into booklet for printing purpose, this is very helpful feature for printing industry. So let's get started. So here is a main environment of create booklet. You can see here you can create a booklet of 4 types: continuous, saddle stitch, perfect bound, and cut and stack. Having contain lots of features. You can left the space on edges, you can add the crop marks on sheet horizontally, you can rotate the upside front down page, add message on your extra page. As you know, booklet always be converted and takes 4 pages. If PDF contains having less pages, then software automatically add the blank pages. And in these blank pages, if you want to add or write something, a text, you can edit from here. You can also choose a font type, font size, or text transparency. You can choose here the page size. So I just simply open it and show you how many pages are there. In this PDF, total 10 pages are there, 1 to 10 as you seen. I just simply make drag and drop here, and you see my input PDF is a A4 size, and now I am going to impose into paper A3 size. You can choose a paper source from here, or if your paper size not in the list, then you can choose a custom paper size from here and enter your size and all. But in my case, I am going to convert A4 PDF to A3. So I simply choose here A3. So first of all, I am going to demo with continuously, and now I mark here auto scaling. My page will be automatically resized as per software calculation, and I want to add the crop marks on edges, or also I want to add a sheet folding marks. So you can specify here the length of the marks like that. So, or also select the output directory. This output data. Yes, this is input, this is output. Output is empty now. I also select the override the files, and going to simply start with the create booklet demo of the method continuous. In the continuous method, pages are not reordered, so that first sheet contain page 1 and 2. This is not usually fold, just staple a side of corner. So let's get started. PDF. The page is A3 landscape, as I choose here. My page is A3 landscape. Page 1 and 2, as I continuously method, the page 1 and 2, you can see here the folding marks. One more time, page 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 2 pages are blank. So if you want to add something on it, the blank pages, we can choose an option here, extra page text. So now convert booklet it to again. Now you can see the blank pages having text contains now. You can, so let's move with the another example with the saddle stitch. Saddle stitch is perfect for book binding, but the saddle stitch is having some limitation. We prefer only 200 pages booklet using the saddle stitch method. So I just simply start the process. booklet converted, PDF converted into booklet. You can see here the first page, second page, third page. When you make printing and folding into, then this will be converted into booklet, and your blank software edits the blank pages automatically and write the text automatically. You can change the content of this text as per your choice. So in this case I am not going to change. If you required, you can change it. Now this is the perfect bound. The perfect bound is a suggestion for if you want to make a booklet of supposed to be more than 200 pages, 500 pages or 1000 pages. So we will prefer you to make pages, and here is a page group. You can always be enter the number into multiple of 4s. So I just start the process again with creating booklet using a perfect bound. PDF created successfully, and change here a little bit. Now PDF converted into section in the multiple of 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now fifth page start from here, 5th, 6th, 7, now 8, and software add blank pages automatically. And I also mention here top mark is here and the vertical marks is here. You can see these marks visible on all corners. So let's move with another example. Cut and stack is a very popular method when you use it for printing and make it a cut and stack. So in this here is option if you want to print in duplex mode or double-sided or single-sided. By default software choose a double-sided. So if your stack is single-sided, then you can choose here and start the process and see the result. You can see your page 1, then page 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the next page is started from top again, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this is your blank page. But when you make stack are single sided, then software automatically adjusts the page as per printing on both sides. So let's try with stack are double sided. Start the process. This cut and stack created. Let's check the result. With the cut and stack with double sided, the page number 1 on left side, page number 2 on right side, then page number 3 on left side, page number 4 on right side. When you make a printing on both sides, so there are lots of options in this software. So you can make your own experiment. Can also, this is an experimental feature. When tried when your output result are not expected as or page shown as a mirror. So you can normalize the page using various methods. So by default but you leave it if your result are okay. Here is also a option. You can adjust the left page margin or right page margin as per your requirement. So I just suggest you just simply try it and use it and make an experiment. Also this is option 100% page. If you want to know page scaling, then you can choose here 100%. In this case you need to output page a little bit larger, so your input page fit to 100%. So in this case, so I just give you one demo with cut and stack. So in this case page fit A4 page fit into A3 page percent. In this case I need to leave it all those things, and I get the error. I get error page are not sufficient to fit the 100% on A3 size. So what I do, I just simply remove the space and remove all those things. Now my page adjust A4 page adjust into A3 size, but in this case I am not able to add the other spaces or add the cut marks. If I needed, I need to increase the page size, but I am not going to increase the page size. I am going to simply impose A4 paper into A3 size landscape. So start the process. Is converted and see the result. You can see here your cut and stack method. There is no marks, and page A3, you can see here page A3 landscape converted. So this kind of this you can make a lots of experiment as your own, as you required. You can do with, suppose I have example one more time with the saddle stitch, and I can choose here auto scaling. I can choose here the crop marks. When I add the crop marks, size automatically will be added at 5 mm. And in this case I just give a demo of the left side. So you just see what happens. Suppose I just say mark here to left side, and starting the process, you can see your impose page move into the left side more to center, right? So I just don't do that, so simply leave on 50. That's it. So this is done for the create booklet. So hope this video is helpful for you. You can use it and make an experiment as your needs, fulfill all your requirement and printing needs. Thanks for watching.